How to make a new ad on Facebook. So you need to make sure that you're actually on a professional mode. In order to know if you're on professional mode, you will have this advertise option. If you're not, you can click on this three dots right here and then click on this professional mode option. Now, once you're on your professional mode, just scroll down and then you can just find a post that you can boost. Alternatively, if you want to make a new ad, you can click on this advertise option, click on this create new ad option, and then from there it will show you this. So you need to just accept this C and C of them, and then just put in here your goal. Example is click on get more leads. Then you can put in here the advantage creative, and you can also choose in here the apply option or the apply button. You can choose in here which you want and save that. And then you can also require a form, and you can also add a special ad category. You can also change the advantage audience that you can use, as well as the placement and also your daily budget. So if you choose your own budget right here, and if you change it into something more, you can head over and then do something right here that you want to as well. Now, once you're done with that, you should be able to make a new ad on Facebook.